for aqua, a watery blue. B is for beige, a soft sandy hue. C is for crimson, bold and bright. D is for denim, a cool dark sight. E is for emerald, a sparkling green. F is for fuchsia, a pinkish sheen. G is for gold, so shiny and rare. H is for honey with a golden flare. I is for indigo, deep as a sea. J is for jade, like a green tree. K is for khaki, so earthy and neat. L is for lavender, floral and sweet. M is for magenta, pink and strong. N is for navy, where night belongs. O is for orange, so bright and round. P is for peach, with a gentle sound. Q is for quartz, a pale pink shade. R is for ruby, like jewels displayed. S is for scarlet, a fiery red. T is for turquoise, where oceans are spread. U is for umber, a brownish tone. V is for violet, like flowers grown. W is for white, so pure and clear. X is for xanadu, greenish near. I is for yellow, like sunshine's glow. Z is for zafra, a blue we know. From A to Z, the colors shine bright, painting the world with beauty and light.
For watching and learning with us. See you next time.